Hey guys, so I wanted to come on real quick and do a review on this new beautiful desk I just got. And you guys, this thing was incredibly easy to assemble, super fast, less than 10 minutes. All you want to do is fold it and there's a handful of screws, and I want to show you guys how easy it was. One of the things that I love about this, you guys, is not only that you can just fold it and put it away when you don't want to use it, but this is going to be nice for so many rooms. A study room, a bedroom, an office, make it a gaming station, a card station. I'm going to use this thing with so many things. It has such a beautiful finish on the top with really, really nice and sturdy black metal frame. So that's going to be really nice that it's going to be foldable, yet it's durable. All right, guys, I want to show you how perfect this is for a study station. Like I said, the beautiful green finish with the really sturdy metal frame.